In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an object in Photoshop. This is a quick and useful technique that lets you duplicate part of an image and move it wherever you need. It's great for simple edits, design work, or just learning how selections and layers work together inside Photoshop. To start, select the polygonal lasso tool. This tool is perfect when you want to trace around an object using straight-edged points. Carefully draw a line around the object you want to copy. For this demonstration, I'm doing it quickly, but in a real project, take your time and follow the edges as neatly as possible. The cleaner your selection, the better your copied object will look. Once the selection is complete, right-click inside the selected area and choose Layer via Copy. What this does is place the selected object onto its own separate layer without changing the original image underneath. That's important because it gives you more flexibility to move or edit the copied object independently. Now that the object is on its own layer, click and hold on it, then drag it to a new position. As soon as you move it, you'll see that the object has been duplicated and is ready to be placed wherever you want. This is one of the easiest ways to copy something visually and reposition it in just a few seconds. You can also use a keyboard shortcut method. After making your selection, press Ctrl and C to copy, then press Ctrl and V to paste. Photoshop will paste that selected object onto a new layer as well, giving you a similar result. This is a handy option if you prefer using shortcuts to work faster. If you don't see the copied object move right away, make sure the correct layer is selected before dragging. That small detail can save you a lot of confusion. And that's how to copy an object in Photoshop. Once you practice this a few times, it becomes a very fast and natural part of your editing workflow.